I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
This video is a little different. I'm showing you my seasonings and I'll take you through how I clean, wash and season some leg quarters. Those were all the seasonings. Here is the leg quarter. The first thing I do is I remove the entire skin. From this, I'll be using this to make some brown stew jerk chicken. So I remove all the skin, then I remove a little section. In Jamaica we call it the bottom. There's a little section where there's fat, yes, right near the hip and the leg. I remove that and then I remove any excess skin. This section of the chicken has a lot of cavity. It has a lot of section where there are veins, there's waste. So there I am cleaning out the back part of the chicken, which is close to the leg, which is the hip and the leg. I trim all the excess fat from off of this because I'll be chopping this in small pieces. Right at this section, near the back, there's a little flap there. I remove that flap. Then I try to break the backbone to get this section to open. This section has a bloody vein in it. There you see, I just pulled the vein and I continue to remove any excess blood from this section of the chicken. A lot of persons I know are not aware of this. However, I wanted to show persons how I clean and prepare leg quarter. My household doesn't really like chicken breast, so I will purchase leg quarter most of the time. I trim all the excess fat, remove. There are some slippery things on it or some slimy section on it. I also remove that. But you want to make sure that the cavity, the veins, all that is clean. There I'm showing you what the backbone looks like once I remove that long bloody vein from it. That is not supposed to be cooked in leg quarter. That is supposed to be removed from the chicken. Then right in the back there where you see I'm cleaning, there's also a little fat pocket. I remove all the excess fat from it. And I continue to clean this in its entirety. My chicken is looking clean. I am still removing stuff from it. That's just me. Everyone cooks different, but all these waste matter, all these things need to be removed. I've purchased chicken before and it has a little fat part on it, which we call in Jamaica the bottom part. No. So now I am just chopping this because I'll be chopping them in small pieces, cleaning my chicken to show you how I season it. So here, once done, I wash with vinegar first, and you can do it your way. If you want, you can combine the vinegar and the lemon juice or the lemon, it's up to you. Then I add lemon juice, I rinse again, then I also use additional fresh tap water to wash off all that acid from that lemon juice and from the vinegar. Then I pat dry to get a little of the water off. Now I'll be seasoning this and going like really quickly. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Please remember to like the video. Please remember to drop a comment, share, set your notification bell so you don't miss a video. And all the ingredients that I use to season my chicken, I promise you I will leave it in the description box. I use this fish and meat sauce, and I'll be using a little jerk marinade because this will be a jerk brown stew chicken, which you will see on my channel shortly. Once I add all that, I did not use any salt. I rubbed my seasoning in. There is my seasoned chicken. Once I'm done, I normally just clean the edges of my bowl, and then I'll put saran wrap on this to allow the chicken to marinate a little. See, I showed you the back of my chicken is like really clean. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned and you will see my brown stew jerk chicken video. Thank you for watching.